Alright, people, they're about to shoot it off. Alright, I'm not sure what they're gonna do, but I see some people in fire. I see some people in fire. Come on, shoot it off, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta be kidding me, dude. It's too dark over there to see. Too dark over there to see. Yeah, I see some people in red. There we go. But I don't know how long they're gonna go off any minute. Oh my god, I hate this copyright music. Alright, people, they're about to shoot it off. Sorry for my hand. Shoot it. Oh my god, it's the biggest moment of our lives. It's the biggest moment of our lives. It's like 10 p.m. 10 p.m. And they're not about to shoot it. I mean, people gotta go to work in mornings or something. People gotta go to work at mornings or so. See some people in red over there. Yeah. See that red dot? Right there, that red dot. That means someone is about to fire it off. Yeah, there we go. Love you, USA! Love you, USA! Here we go! Love you, USA! Love ya! Love you so much! Yeah! Insanity! We've been here for 3 hours! This is what we deserve for 3 hours! This is what we deserve for 3 hours! Go! Bah! This is what we deserve for 3 hours, man! 7 to 10! Yeah! Go! Go! Ah! Love ya! Love you, Union City! Love you, Union City! Epicness! Very epic, people! Kaboom! Yes! This is what we deserve! Very nervous, people! Oh, the best I've ever had! OMG! Ah! People, OMG! Hey! Insanity! Happy 4th of July! Go, go! Yeah! This is 3 hours! 3 hours! Shoot it! I thought I was gonna get ran over. Oh, 2 big ones! Love ya! Yeah! Go! Yeah! The best time of my life! Yeah! It's like a shower, dude. Shower of awesomeness. Love ya, man. Happy 4th of July, YouTube 2010. 2010. YouTube 2010. YouTube 2010. Someone is a little jealous. Love ya. Yeah. Sorry for my hand. It's out of control. Oh! 3, 4, 5, 6. Too many to count. I'm not trying to be immature, but that smells awesome. There's like too many stuff around here. Four, five, six, five off with one. Beautiful. Beautiful. For 3 hours. Wow. Insane. I love this. I can feel it in my brain. Yeah. Hope I get this in all by 12 in the morning, maybe 3 in the morning. Hope I get this in by 3 in the morning.
Alright, I'm gonna hold my
Happy New Year's! Just kidding. Love this so much. We're all enjoying this. We exploded.
What is actually being shot up?